Welcome back, and we are back on the Blackstone. Gonna cook us up a little afternoon snack here, maybe some lunch, I guess we'll call it. We're gonna take some barbecue chicken, what we had left over from the supper the other night, and we're gonna put this thing in a quesadilla shell, and we're gonna put some cheese on it. Man, this thing's gonna be so good on this cold days. It's cold out here right now. So I tell you what, before we get started, hit that like button, the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, that little red box down there. If it's not gray, you need to make it gray. Do that right now. Hit that bell notification. Make sure it's got the little numbers or little things around it. Not numbers, but little things. That way you know next time we upload something, you'll know it. So get that done, and let's show you what we're cooking with. All right, this is a real simple recipe. Like I said, we got some leftover barbecue chicken. Now, you can shred this. We just cubed ours up the other night and just kind of had a look, kind of like barbecue chicken bites. But that's what we got. We got some queso quesadilla blend, and we got the large flour tortillas. Now you can make these are small ones. We got some olive oil, got a little extra barbecue sauce there, and that's pretty much it. I mean, if you want to add a little onion into this, whatever else you want to add, but we're just making basic barbecue chicken cheese quesadillas, and these things are going to be so good. Let's get to cooking these things. First thing we do is get a little bit of oil down. Yes, get that around. Well, we're going to brown these tortillas up just a little bit. A little more oil down. Now I got a griddle set on a medium to low. It's pretty big tortillas. Let's flop them down right there. We're gonna make 2 of these things. What we're gonna do is just kind of move these over just a little bit. We're gonna take this chicken. We're gonna start heating it up. Now see, being as leftovers, it's already cooked. So that's always a plus. We'll just take it and dump it out there. Kind of like dog food, don't it? It don't taste like dog food though. We had this with some rice the other night. We'll just kind of let all that chicken heat up. Because all it's got to do is just get warm. I mean, it's already hot. Well, it's already cooked. All we're going to do here is just kind of brown these tortillas up just a little bit. Be some good eating right here. Now, I thought about maybe sauteing some onions, some peppers, things like that. But I figured, hey, we can make them complicated another day. It's not really complicated to do that, but we can do that another day. And we're just going for a basic, quick, let's get this done recipe. Now this recipe is not going to take long. It's just not going to take long at all to get this done. You see it's getting a little brown there. Look at that. It's looking pretty good. Both of them are. Chicken's getting a little steam coming off of them now. Won't be long now. I need to work on my griddle skills. Where I can do some teppanyaki. I just like that word, teppanyaki. Now, if you want to use the high dollar stuff, whatever, that's fine. We're just using the cheap generic stuff. If these turn out good, crazy kids may want them for supper tonight. We'll see. There we go. Oh, it's open now. Let's give these a flip and kind of brown them on the other side for just a second. We're gonna get to putting these things together. I told you it ain't gonna take long. Tell you what, let's go ahead and build one of these. Take a little bit of chicken here. Put it in here. Take a little bit of cheese. I think I'm gonna do the other one just a little bit different, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Might put cheese and chicken, then more cheese. Make mine cheesy. This is for crazy Nana here. Pull this over. Just kind of mush it down. Mush it. You ever mushed anything? Let's put some cheese down on this one first. How's that? Some queso cheese. Get some chicken. You know what they say? Down there in the bayou, chicken. And we'll fold this one over. Like so. Kind of stick it together. We got a little bit of chicken left over. It's not bad though. Let's flip this one over. And this one over. Oh, that's gonna be some good quesadillas there. Yes, sir, buddy. Gonna be some good eating here in just a little bit. Could take a dome, cover these up, steam them a little bit, help melt that cheese down.
A few moments later.
Well, I think these are done. Let's check them. Oh yeah, they got a pretty little crust to them there. Let's see if you see it. Cheese is melting. That cheesy. That's when you know it's gonna be good. Yeah, buddy. Tell you what, let's plate these things up. You just have to have a plate right here. How convenient. Now's what we're gonna do. Is do one more thing to them. One more thing. We're gonna take this barbecue sauce right here, and we're gonna make this pretty. Watch this. Now tell me, you just don't want to take a bite of that right there. Yeah, buddy, we're gonna take a bite. Let's do this. Well, got my thumbnails done, got it all plated up, ready to cut into this thing. Let's try it out. Let's try it out. I hate to cut it, it's so pretty. Well, I'm not a very good quesadilla cutter. Well, we got it cut. Oh yeah, it's looking pretty good there, ain't it? All the chicken fell out. We got to put that chicken back in. I got it back in. Let's try this thing out and see how it looks. How it tastes. Oh, that's really good. Wow. I can't say it wouldn't be better with pepper and onion because it would be, but I'll tell you what, this is delicious the way it is. Hey, try it out. See what you think. Real simple recipe, real quick and easy. Great for making, something to do with your leftovers. So I'll tell you what, try this out. If you like it, let me know in the comments down below. Hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell notification, and be sure to check out our other videos. We got all kind of videos. You might like something, and we'll see you next time.